In Botswana, HIV counselors combined with routine testing for all pregnant mothers and free antiretroviral drugs will prove to be the turning point in the fight against HIV in a country with one of the highest prevalence rates in the world. Esther is what's called a lay counselor. She tests, screens and counsels HIV-positive mothers. It's not an easy job and certainly a far cry from her former career in a bank.
There were many deaths of HIV, so I decided to come and join Ministry of Health as a lay counselor to help my community survive.
We really tackle the HIV like we are in a war. We are going to fight with the little that we have. We are going to put the resources, the little resources that we have, into the fight of this HIV, because saving the children was to save the nation.
The results of this program speak for themselves. Today, almost all pregnant women are tested for HIV and around 95% who are positive are on ARVs. The HIV transmission rate from mother to child has dropped to less than 3%.
The happiest thing is to see a mother who has HIV positive bring up a baby who is negative.
Now, the task is to make sure that not only all babies are born HIV-free, but also that the mothers remain healthy. This is why Botswana, with support from the UNICEF and other partners, has developed an elimination of mother-to-child transmission of HIV and keeping mothers alive plan.
We are no longer concerned about only the baby, but we want to concern about the mother, that to keep the mother alive, put the mother early on treatments, and also that make sure that the mother is healthy so that the mother can take care of this child.
It has not and would not be an easy road, but Botswana certainly is on the right track. In August 2013, the Democratic Republic of Congo was among the first African countries to introduce Option B+, an innovative approach to eliminate new HIV infections in children. Option B+ offers all pregnant or breastfeeding women living with the virus life-saving antiretroviral treatment for their entire lives. The new simplified antiretroviral therapy consists of one pill once a day. Option B+ also offers to expectant mothers a hope that their babies would not be born with HIV. Lifelong antiretroviral treatment for all pregnant women living with HIV has been rolled out in several health facilities in Katanga, which is one of the provinces with the highest HIV prevalence in DR Congo. But it is up to each community to do the promotion part. Ivory Coast has recorded great progress in preventing mother-to-child transmission of HIV. However, more than two-thirds of eligible pregnant women living with the virus are not receiving antiretroviral therapy. The country is now working to increase access to treatment as well as prevent AIDS-related deaths. In many rural areas, women often have to walk long distances to reach a health center, making it difficult to access antenatal care. Health workers encourage mothers to visit health centers for prenatal checkups and to enable them register with the National Health Service to begin receiving maternal care. The Ivorian government is preparing to roll out life-saving antiretroviral treatment to all pregnant women living with HIV to enable more mothers stay healthy and prevent HIV transmission in future pregnancies. HIV-related stigma and discrimination remain a challenge here and often prevents people living with HIV from getting the treatment they need.